Good morning. So today we're getting started on one of the larger projects we've done in a while. This is a child care center in Centerville, Georgia. This is approximately 160 square roof. We're going to have both crews here today. I'm not sure we can finish it all in one day, but we're going to try. We scheduled this job on a weekend to minimize disturbance to the kids. We've had this job in the works for almost 2 years. Finally, we were able to get the insurance adjuster to see it our way and pay for the roof. Big win for everybody, for the property owner. This roof was in bad shape. And for our guys, it's a really nice job for everybody. Going to be putting some Colonial Slate landmarks, full synthetics. Big shout out to Southern Roof Center. Getting all our materials out here yesterday, staged nicely. Makes a huge difference. I'll keep you posted as the job progresses. Guys are going to be here in a few minutes. Get everybody set up. Give this place a new roof. Thank you for watching.